Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create modern poster design in Illustrator. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. And change its case to upper. Open the character panel, change its font to Montserrat Black. Adjust its text settings. Right-click on it and choose Create Outlines. And do the center align. Go to the Rectangle tool, and click on the artboard once. Add the artboard dimensions to it, and hit OK. Do the center align. And apply the color to it. Right-click, arrange and send it to back. Select the pen tool, and add the anchor points to it. And follow me. Select Rectangle and Text. Open the Pathfinder panel, and click on Divide button. Double-click on it, and select the text that are in top of rectangle. Go to the Edit menu, and click on Copy. And then paste in front. And apply the different color to it. Right-click, and group them. Double-click on it. Select the Direct Selection tool. Select these anchor points, and drag it leftward. Follow me. Press Ctrl+A to select all. And unite them. Go to the Object menu, Compound Path and Make, or press Ctrl+8. Go to the File menu, Place, select your image, and click on Place. Adjust its size. Right-click, arrange and then send it backward. Select both, go to the Object menu, Clipping Mask and Make, or press Ctrl+7. Create a rectangle of the artboard dimensions. And apply the gray color to it. And send it to back. Go to the Type tool, and type other text. Follow my other text settings. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.